I'm putting the recording. So today class is on remote client copy. Okay. So yesterday there was some issue. 699, right?
Yeah.
SAP star password pass. Okay. So what I need to do first?
Need to export.
So my target client is is 699 and source client is, let us say, 001. Okay. So see, I will go to first. First you need to do it. So topic is export import, right? Export import. So first I need to do export, client export. So first you need to go to SAC 8. So yesterday already, okay. So yesterday we already come across, no, first we need to go to, what is my source client? 001. So I need to go to the 001 only. Here I need to call SAC 8. Okay. First listen. First check whether the TMS is configured or not. Because yesterday we found that TMS was not in consistency state. So I need to go to client user client 000 user like DDIC and give the password. So the T code is HTMS. So I will delete the existing configuration. Delete, back, description, development. Okay. Save, old standard password, continue. Now create the virtual system or no required. This is not required. If you want, you can create. Overview system. So not required. So we will do here only, right? Because this is the ideal system. So no need to create virtual systems. If suppose there is a physical system, then we can create. So here in this case not required. If you want, you can create and do it, but I will not do. So I will select the target system as EH7 only, right? Continue. I have selected SAP user profile and I will do schedule as background. This is optional. No need to Pick this one, select immediate and schedule job. So see, so check the user profile, client, is everything is fine or not, and click on continue. Okay. So in this, for user master record, what will be the transport? It is KO or KT or KX.
Yeah, request number can be converted into 3 KT, KO, KX.
Yeah, for the SAP user, what is the TR? KO or KT or KX?
It's a KT.
Yeah. So for the user master data, so the profile, so for user master, the transport will be KT, not KO, not KX. Okay. Because user is client specific. It is not neither cross client or client specific. Okay. Not nor, not or nor. Okay. So it is ending with the 18. Okay. So make a note of this and click on continue. And click on continue here. So you can check the logs either in SCC3 or SM37, or you can check in SM66. So I will go to SCC3, go to export. So this is your export which is running, and I have selected the profile SAP_user and 001 is the source client. As I told, it will be client specific. Okay. So it will take some time. So we need to wait. Once it is done, we can proceed with importing the transport request. And then finally, we need to import into the newly created client. So see, so after client export, you need to copy the co-file and data file into the target client of 001. Okay. The newly created target client, that is 699. Sorry, 699 you need to copy. So what is the naming of co-file? Can you tell? So this is my five. So what will be my co-file from this?
User.
What will be the co-file? And what will be the data file? Please tell me. Prasanna? Day before yesterday, I told you, right?
It's SID dot KT.
Prasanna,
Yes, sir.
what will be the co-file and what will be the data file from this transport number of client specific?
So file starts with K and data files with the
Right. So tell me, what will be the answer?
K9.
E.
K9. Wrong. Sneha? Sneha, can you unmute yourself? What will be the co-file?
Profile.
From this, you need to answer the co-file and yes, tell me.
00018. Sir.
No, wrong. Prasanna?
So maybe for data file it will be T in after EX7, I think.
Okay, I will tell. So it will be KT 000 18 dot SID ES7. Okay. Similarly,
T
T 000 18 dot ES7. So you need to copy to which location? This co-file and data file. Which location?
SAP
Path.
trans.
Yes, USR SAP trans.
User SAP trans co-file.
Yes. And data. Data which path? Data. Sampath. Sampath. Not Sampath. Harish.
If
Harish.
path USR SAP
Ah.
transmit మనం కాపీ చేస్తాం.
And no, wrong answer. Sneha. Sneha. So you will copy the data in which path? So you will copy. Yes, tell me.
USR SAP trans data file once, co-file once.
In
So
bin
path
there
will be
will be
you.
co-files and data files based on specification.
So the path will be USR
SAP
SAP trans
dash
data.
co-file.
Okay, data.
same USR
USR
SAP
SAP trans. Here USR SAP
trans
Trans co-file.
co-file. So your actual data will be. So actual data consists in co-files or data? Sorry. Actual data consists in which file? Either co-file or data? Yes, Prasanna, tell me.
Data files. Data files.
Yes. Yeah, your actual data consists in data only. Co-files, there will be no data. Okay. So let us see whether it has been finished or not. Yeah. So see, your transport has been created. So still it is under processing state. So you need to wait for few minutes. So how you will copy this co-file and data with the help of which tool?
ఇది మై సిటీ
Sorry. With the help of which tool you will copy this co-file and data file? Which tool?
MIC
WinSAP. You need to copy through WinSAP or FileZilla or MobaXterm or Super Putty. So these are the ways you can copy according to the need. So WinSAP or FileZilla or Super Putty, MobaXterm. So these are the software. Any of one you can use, or from the OS level you can also copy, but through SSH. You can copy those files using SSH command also from Putty. Okay. So these are the different ways. WinSAP or FileZilla or Super Putty or MobaXterm or SSH. Okay. So now you can see it is successfully exported. Now what you need to do? Now what you need to do?
Import.
Yes. So import you will do in source or target? Import you will do in source or target?
source. It's a target.
Target.
Okay, Sneha,
699.
Target, sir.
you need to import in target only. So my target client is 699. So go to HTML T code. Okay. And you go to HTML underscore import or HTML T code. After deploying those files, you need to go to extras, other request add, but here we are using same host. That's why you can see by default it is showing here. But in your case, you need to go to other request add and you need to add manually. Okay. Now select the transport and click on import and select the target client. Okay. So my target client is
This color the phone is.
my target client is 699. Okay. My target client is 699. Okay. SAP star password
This much.
pass. So import into the system is started. Once it is started, it needs to finish, and here return code will be generated. And after that, you need to do the SS7 and you need to perform client import. Right now, you are importing the transport request into the target client, and from there onwards, you need to import through SS7. So wait for a while. Okay. So time to time, you need to do refresh. So any doubts till here?
Yeah, no.
So based upon the profile, what you selected, so it will take some time, and based upon the data also is based upon the profile. And if we select the user master data, so if it is more user, then it will definitely take some time. So Harish, what about you? You also got the offer letter?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Sneha,
No,
have you
sir.
applied? Have you applied?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Which company?
నేను నౌకరీలో పెట్టాను సార్, అంటే కంపెనీకి కానీ అప్లై చేయలేదు.
Okay, okay. So Prasanna, did you join? When is your joining date?
20 done, sir, on Friday.
Sorry, oh, you joined on last Friday.
Friday, sir.
Okay, okay. So Ganesh also joined on last Friday only. So
Yes, sir.
onboarding happened on office or virtually?
No, sir, virtual only.
Okay, okay. So project details.
Project, they said it as Nades fuel company.
Location?
In the interview, he told, but now which location they are going to assign, I don't know, sir. Because in the interview, they told that the location will be Bangalore, but I preferred Hyderabad. So the project might change or remains the same. It doesn't know.
Yeah, if it is anywhere in India, basically they will openings will be in Bangalore only.
Okay.
So you can go, no problem.
Okay, sir.
So what is the package? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is the package?
6.5, sir.
Okay, okay. How many years have you put in?
2.3, sir.
Okay, okay.
Sir, B1 associate consultant అంటే ఇంకా I mean దాని లోవర్ పొజిషన్స్ ఏమి ఉంటాయి సార్?
So B1 means, so fresher is A3, after that A4, after that A5, after that B1. A3, A4, A5, B1. So you are in B1. So below you there will be freshers A3, A4, A5.
ఆ త్రీ కేటగిరీస్ కూడా ఫ్రెషర్స్ ఉంటారు సార్? ఐ మీన్ అంటే దానిలో
A3,
ట్రైనింగ్ కంప్లీట్
A3,
అయితే స్టేజ్.
A3 is fresher, and after that in the 6 months they will give A4, and after that A5, and after that B1, like that.
ఓకే. సార్ యాక్టివిటీస్ ఏముంటాయి సార్ B1 కి?
Total what I told, apart from that, if you perform well, they will give higher activities also.
ఓకే.
You need to basically
అంటే
learn
ఓన్లీ
all.
సపోర్ట్ వరకే ఉంటుందా సార్? ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ కూడా ఉంటుందా అని డౌట్ సార్.
No. Implementation is different, support is different. Okay. So generally will be implementation project, we will do support. Okay.
ఓకే.
So once you are in support project, there will be no implementation. But in the future, in the support, there will be some installation, so there will be some upgrade. So support people only do all those stuff.
ఓకే.
Upgrade activities, kernel upgrades will be performed by only support guys only.
ఓకే.
Support packages, add-ons, so and installation. So see, now you can see it has been imported, okay, with RC4. Okay, now you need to go to SCC7. Now see, you can able to see automatically it has been taken. So it should take it automatically when your transport gets successfully imported. If their transport got failed, so here this transport will not display and user profile what you are trying to import. Okay. Now schedule as background. So this is the final step. So see, the target client is 699, source is 001, and you are copying SAP user and system is EH7. Okay, continue. Continue. Okay, so logs you can generate it in SAC3. So this is the import is starting. Okay. So it will take time. So after execution, if you need to log in with the 001 user which already exists in the 699 client. Okay. Okay, so meeting is going to end it. If you want, you can join. Okay, so please join with the same link.